advertise.com, ProTinkerToys.com. One thing that people might not want to know is that if you have a millennial child, you really are screwed. But anyways, okay, so, and I've got 4 of them. So this is the Series 5 of SC354. This is the other variant of the Pontiac Firebird. This is the orange one. Another beautiful orange one. And this is SC354. This is the Xtraction chassis. And there are 6 cars in the series, and this is number 5 of that SC354. Okay? SC354. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and this is a very popular one, the orange one. ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. See you later.